Why have you got no clothes on?
At least it's honest work.
I'm just so hungry.
What, prostitution? She's not a prostitute, mate. Stop following her. Okay. Hello. This is just going to be a test video that I'm doing for myself because I want to see how the audio comes out when I'm doing these recordings. So I'm here at Starlight, and Starlight has undergone quite a change over the last wee while. It was the main point of convergence for all my traders, my provisioners. I had them all going to Sanctuary, and this was back when I used to have Sanctuary as my home base. So I had all my provisioners going to Sanctuary, but it just caused chaos. I had Brahmin inside every house, I had Brahmin on roofs. It was a bit chaotic and I didn't like it. So I thought that Starlight Drive-in being a big open space, I would send all of my
Doc Weathers is guaranteed.
Shut up, Doc Weathers. I would send all of my provisioners here, and I would have one provisioner from Starlight going up to Sanctuary, so I could still get all the use of all the other settlements workshops. But since the Wasteland Workshop DLC came out, you'll probably have seen everybody is building arenas at Starlight Drive-in because it's made for it. The settlement itself is perfect for a massive arena. So I, like many others, have built mine here. It's still a work in progress. There are... Why have you got no clothes on?
At least it's honest work.
I'm just so hungry.
What, prostitution? She's not a prostitute, mate. Stop following her. Okay. Yeah, so it's still a massive work in progress. These are nifty little turret towers that I've made. These two are great. I haven't made up names for them yet, but they work in the workshop and the robot workshop.
Yes.
And they kind of hang about together. Here's my arena that I've got so far. I probably will do a video once it's all finished, just detailing what I've done, why I've done certain things. I put a robot Deathclaw against a real Deathclaw. These are a pain in the dick. You cannot remove them. You can kick them. So I have got the blood bank, which is my doctors. I found Doc Anderson. I don't know where she's went to though. Over here I built a little food stand. Now I've built one in here and rug glitched it into the actual frame, and I've got Kate working there. Excuse me.
What I wouldn't give for a good stiff drink.
Yeah, Kate's an alky.
Yes?
I've just watched NoRespawns video. I watched his live stream on Twitch. If you haven't watched NoRespawns videos, basically everything that I've done in this video I've learnt from him. He did a live stream yesterday at Warwick Homestead, and he built a diner into one of the new buses that come with the workshop, and I was like, what? I want to do that. This is my workstation. I made a toilet! I made a toilet! Look! Oh, isn't that nice? And they all sleep out here as well. I've got dog meat here. He's watching over a couple of my prize armours. You've got to come through the decontamination tunnel. Now I've got a little settler here. She's watching a couple of monitors to make sure that all the readings are green. No rats. Rad free. No smoking in here. This is an empty space. I haven't put anything in here. In fact, I was thinking about building a small church in this corner. Again, Davey at NoRespawns has recently built a church, and he shows you how to do it, and it looks awesome. But yeah, there's a lot more to show you. For instance, Still to show you the inside the arena properly. I'll show you the main stand. I'll show you some of the things I've done at the promenade, and I also have a control bunker at the top, at the back here, which is up against the billboard or the screen. Yeah. But yeah, it's getting dark, so I'm going to leave it there. She still has no clothes on. That's extremely dangerous in this part of the world. And all my settlers... Oh, that's right, I've run out of beds. Anyway, I'll leave it there. This was a good test of the mic. I gibbered on for too long. So I will see you guys soon with a more up-to-date video. A more in-depth video, sorry. It will be up-to-date as well because of the amount of stuff that I'm going to put in it. And I will see you guys in the near future. All the best.